Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add the AI anime effect to your photos on CapCut. So you can only apply it to your photos, by the way. You can't apply it to your videos. So I'm just going to select this as my picture and I'm going to select add. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to select it and I'm going to go to style, or you can go back, select effects and select photo effects, and it will show up as well in AI painting. So there's the anime, like the usual one, there's a dreamy one, there's a cat one, and there's a muscle man. So select the one that you want and just wait for the AI to generate it on your picture. Make sure there's like a clear, they're able to, I guess the AI is able to see the person's face completely, so it can generate the AI better. I think I'm going to, I don't know why it looks not that, okay, this one looks good, but once you're done, you're just going to export it. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!